2014 F-150 FX4 lifted with only 105,000 miles. Hey everybody, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Check out this black on black FX4. It's got the lift in it. It's got the rock stars on it, 285 75 18s, custom grille with the carbon fiber look on it, tinted windows, roll tarp, awesome foot rails, touchscreen, Sony audio, heated cooled seats, power seats, remote starter, you name it. Remember, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. It's been inspected independently. The Carfax shows a fender bender in it. It's a local purchase. I bought it from the second owner. Just a good looking truck. Drives fantastic. Has the 36-gallon tank in it. Again, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. Our vehicles are inspected. Come and see it at Autorama Auto Sales. This is a real head turner. It's all murdered out. Look at the emblems. You saw the custom lights, custom grille. Yeah, AutoramaAuto.com. Again, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees.